Simons.
Madame la Présidente, I have a question for the government representative. As of this afternoon, there were 91 active wildfires in Alberta, including 15 wildfires of note, which are so deemed by the province because they pose a threat to public safety, communities, or critical infrastructure. So first, I want to thank the government and the people of Canada for providing military support to Alberta in this time of emergency. And I want to say that I, for one, am proud that we live in a united confederation where Canadians support one another when there is a regional crisis. But government representative, in 2005, the Canadian Wildland Fire Strategy predicted many of the drought conditions and types of fires we're seeing now. Edmonton journalist and author Ed Struzik, who's one of Canada's leading writers on wildfire, has called that strategy, quote, dead in the water, which he blames in part on lack of funding and a lack of buy-in from premiers and provinces. So I'm wondering if you can tell us, in the face of the mounting economic, environmental, and human costs, is it time to renew the Canadian Wildland Fire Strategy and put it into action?
Senator Gold.
Well, thank you for your question. And first and foremost, on behalf of all of us, I know that I speak for all of us in sending support and encouragement to those families and communities that have been displaced or that are living in fear that they will be displaced because of the ravages of these fires. This government, along with others in provincial governments, is also pleased and proud to provide whatever assistance it can in the short term. With regard to your question, I will certainly bring this to the attention of the relevant minister. Thank you.
Senatress Simons.
A follow-up question would be that there are national parks in Alberta that are particularly vulnerable to the potential of wildfire: Banff, Jasper, Wood Buffalo. I would be really pleased if at a future date you could provide to us, maybe by way of a written answer, what the federal government's plans are for fire mitigation and suppression in our national parks in Western Canada.
Well, thank you for the question, and I certainly will bring this question as well to the relevant authorities.
Thank you.